Hey everybody, it's Brian. Here's an update on the 6-foot tall musa basjoo that I cut down 28 days ago. So we've got 3 leaves now. Third leaf is coming out. About 3 feet tall at the top, close to a meter. And you can see it's doing rather well. Good growth. Looks healthy. Not the tallest in the bunch yet, but I imagine in another week or two it's going to be taller than the rest here in the experimental patch. So it goes to show you can trim these however you want to. You're not going to damage the plant in any way that it's not going to recover. If you've got banana plants of your own and you want to trim them, trim away, do whatever you want as far as what looks good. You don't need to worry about messing up the plant or doing too much trimming in a way that's going to damage it. As far as this plant goes, I'll do one more update at some point in the future before winter really sets in, so we can see how big it gets before the frost takes it.